I'm all for trying to keep the teams as informed as possible at all times of the context of the work that they're doing. Because I think if you don't have the context for the work that you're doing, it's very hard to be motivated. Having diversity across all the spectrum in the room means you get the broadest possible worldview inputting to your strategy or problem solving, and that's inevitably going to give you great results. Everything that you learn that's really important, you learn when you fail. There are very few things that you learn from the things that are just successful or that come easily. As soon as someone says, that can't be done, that's like an invitation. It's like, right, let's have a look at what can't be done. That sounds like something that's quite interesting. No great things are achieved by being realistic.